Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of fractions. This is 11th question of its exercise 7.1. So the question says that Kristin received a CD player for her birthday. She bought 3 CDs and received 5 other as gifts. What fraction of her total CDs did she buy and what fraction did she receive as gifts? So firstly हमें given है number of CDs she bought. So हमें given है 3. Next, number of CDs she received. So she received 5 others as gift. So जाएगा हमारे पास 5. So हमारे पास जाएगा total number of CDs. So जाएगा 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So हमें find out करना है what fraction of her total CDs did she buy. So fraction of CDs she bought. So total CDs है हमारे पास 8 and she bought 3 of them. So required fraction is 3 by 8. Next, what fraction did she receive as gift? So fraction of CDs she received. So total CDs are हमारे पास 8 and she received 5. So required fraction is 5 by 8. Thank you.